So have you heard about that new thing called Facebook group topics, but you don't really know exactly what they are yet? Or maybe you've heard of it, but you don't exactly know how to use it inside your Facebook group, especially using it inside your Facebook group so that you can find your next client. Well, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to go over exactly what a Facebook group topic is and exactly how you can use it to find your next client online. Let's go!
We all win when we all win. All win when we all win.
Hey there, my friend. I'm Super Sid, and I'm an organic marketing coach who has helped hundreds of people build systems so that they could find their next clients online organically for free. And in this video, I'm going to go over with you exactly what a Facebook group topic is and, well, exactly how you can use it inside your Facebook group. Let's rock and roll. So before we go into specific topics inside a Facebook group, I really want to just very quickly cover what a Facebook group is. And ultimately, Facebook came out with groups very early on. And what a Facebook group is going to be a place where a lot of people are going to come on Facebook. You got to be on Facebook to be in a Facebook group, but ultimately people on Facebook are going to come to and collaborate where a lot of times they're going to be like-minded or ultimately be aiming toward, a common goal of some kind inside that Facebook group. Although Facebook groups came along early on, the Facebook group topic concept is something fairly new, and ultimately what a Facebook group topic is exactly what it sounds like. It's a topic inside a Facebook group. Think about it kind of like a filing folder of specific themes that you might be talking about in your Facebook group. Now, ultimately, what's super cool about these topics is it's a great way to organize specific things that you are doing inside your Facebook group. So maybe you have specific topics inside your Facebook group. Say like me, who is an organic marketing coach, I might be talking about stuff inside our Facebook group around different topics such as organic marketing, email marketing, Facebook ads, or something like that, right? So I would want to make sure to organize those specific topics and those specific posts around that topic inside our Facebook group so that I would make sure to organize them and get them to the right people and get them to those topics so that the people inside the Facebook group would have a chance to see them. Before I go into exactly how you can use Facebook topics inside your Facebook group so that you can find your next client, I want to remind you to subscribe to this channel. I'm putting out new and exciting videos every single day showing people just like you exactly how they can find their next client online organically for free. Click that button below and subscribe. So now that we know what topics are and ultimately we kind of have a little bit of an idea about kind of what they are at a 40,000 foot view, how can we use them inside our Facebook group to get more engagement in that group and ultimately get more people going to those posts inside those topics and ultimately taking action in some kind? And ultimately, what's really cool about these group topics is this strategy that we came up with kind of taking a group topic or taking a pillar piece of content and then ultimately creating kind of like a show around a theme and then getting the people to go into those topics and ultimately getting them to binge that content, just like a playlist on YouTube, kind of, right? But getting them to binge that content so that they could work themselves down through kind of like a funnel of videos, ultimately getting them to a spot in the video or in the content where they could make a buying decision. Hey there, my friend, and let's go over exactly now how you know exactly what a group topic is, how you can use it, and all that stuff. Now you have like these posts and you want to go into your Facebook group and you want to start, creating topics and ultimately filing away some of these posts so that, more and more people can find specific posts inside your Facebook group. And I want to show you specifically how you can deem or how you can file away a post inside a Facebook group topic. So I want to show you how you can do it. It's super simple. And I'm on my computer here. I'm on a Mac here, as you can use to work for any computer. You can also do this on your phone, but I am going to show you on a computer. So I'm going to go down to this post here, and this is an old group of ours. Ultimately, say I wanted to add, we have a lot of topics in the group. So as you can see, we have plenty of topics over here in the group that we talk about. And if I wanted to go in, and this video is ultimately about, mindset, right? So if I want to go in and I ultimately want to add this video to a specific topic and to that series of posts inside that topic, right? So you see all these have different posts. And then what I can do is I'll go over here and I'll click on the menu in that post. So up in the three dots in the top right-hand corner. If you're on your phone, it might be in a different spot, but on a Mac, it's going to be the three dots in the top right-hand corner of the post here. And when you click on that, it's going to bring the menu up of all the things that you can do inside this post. What you want to do is you want to click on Edit Post Topics. When you click on Edit Post Topics, it's going to bring up all the topics that you have in the group. So say, we have all these topics and you don't want to look through all these, then what you would want to do is, I know this has to do with mindset or, NLP. I'm sorry. So it has to do with NLP. So say I wanted to go in here and I wanted to add this to, whichever one, but say I wanted to add it to one that's already in there. So we have mindset. Say I wanted to add it to the mindset topic. Then what I would do is I would simply click on mindset here. Now, if you wanted to add it to multiple topics, so say you also wanted to add it to, topics in here for, any one of these, replay, and you could add it to replay. We could add it to, I'm just gonna scroll down, but so you can see all these ones that they're coming up with, action, goals. I mean, I could just add, so I can see how you can just add multiple ones here that I want. And then as I add these, see how these are up here at the top now, as I add these, all I'm gonna do is simply push save. And then all of those topics, or this post is now going to be inside all of those topics, meaning that if someone goes over here and they clicked on that they wanted to see all of these topics, and they scrolled down, if they clicked on the, when they clicked on, those topics that I put those in, like this one here, they would be able to see all of these, they'd be able to see that post inside those topics. So anyway, hope this helped you, and hope that you now know exactly not only what a Facebook group topic is, but how you can do it, and ultimately how you can use it inside your Facebook group to find your next client. Looking to find clients inside your Facebook group? Then my Super Online Organic Prospecting System Bundle is just for you. My Super Online Organic Prospecting System Bundle, it comprises of 3 of my top-selling courses, all geared around helping you find your next client online organically for free. And right now, you can grab your Super Online Organic Prospecting System Bundle for over 97% off. Just click on the link in the description or head to www.supersidsbundle.com and claim your Super Online Organic Prospecting System Bundle right now today. And don't forget, we all win when we all win. I choose to win today, and I hope you choose to win by claiming your Super Online Organic Prospecting System Bundle for over 97% off right now today. We'll see you in the next video. Talk soon.
Let's go.